and just have that kind of warrior type mentality. What is going on, beautiful people? I am, can you guess where I'm headed? To the gym to get my first workout of the week done. Any guesses? Any guesses what I'm working today? Come on. If it's my first workout of the week, come on, it's International Chest Day. That's right. I'm getting my chest on, baby, and my tries. So that'd be cool. Don't know why I've got the heater on. But yes, I hope you guys are doing well. It's Sadiq Rahman, in case you didn't already know. So let's do this, and I will catch you in a bit. You know what time it is, baby. Let's do it. Guys, I'm done. It's a nice intense workout there. Whew. What is going on, guys? I'm back home now. I just wanted to leave you with a message, you know. This message that I've learned is that I am trying to be a warrior. Now let me explain this a little bit. Often in times with life, we go through so many difficulties, so many ups and so many downs. And regardless of that, is that I am trying to be this warrior, this relentless warrior that continues to pursue and do things and not let life's ups or downs bother me, and to really be ultimately focused on my purpose, because this life is just so unbelievably short, and I'm going to do my very best to live the life that I want in the best way that I can. Every day, I have my ups and downs, and you've probably seen in the last 27 days of when I was vlogging that I did have my ups and downs, and that was barely the tip of the iceberg. I've not even filmed half of the struggles and things that I've been going through, but I managed to get through them. That's the thing. I didn't need to vlog that, but I did get through them. And I want you to read this book called The Wheel of Time by Carlos Castaneda. Now, I've not read the book, however, I've been listening to it on Audible over and over again whilst I've been sleeping, and the information on that is just so profound, and it talks more about this warrior mentality, and it articulates it in a much more better way than I can, and I'm trying to live that kind of way every single day. And I hope that kind of provides you with a little bit of inspiration to keep going. You know, we're all going to have these days where things aren't going so well, where you can be tested and challenged in so many different ways. And if we can have this very stoic mentality, and again, I'm not perfect at this, by the way. I'm not this perfect warrior, and I've still got a lot of growth and a lot of development to work on that kind of mentality. But I'm getting there, one step at a time, one day at a time. I'm doing the best that I can. And you've got to take on yourself that you're doing the best that you can, and just have that kind of warrior type mentality. I speak too much. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like this video. Please subscribe to this video, to my channel. That'd really help me and the great old YouTube algorithms here. So until then, stay safe. All my love to you. Take care. Bye.